And somebody's going around robbing stores in Dundalk. Police say the same guy has done it 3 times already.
WMAR 2 News' Skylar Henry spoke with police who say all store owners need to be on the lookout.
Yeah, we're here in front of the Wise Liquors right here on Wise Avenue in Dundalk, one of the places that this robber is said to have hit up earlier this year. Baltimore County Police want to get the word out again because they think with your help, they may be able to find him.
While the months have passed, Baltimore County Police have been sitting on a case out of Dundalk that hasn't been easy. A man wielding a weapon, sticking up store after store in town.
The suspect will enter a business establishment. He's done a gas station, a liquor store, and then a pizza shop called Bite My Slice in the Dundalk area.
County Police spokesman Sean Vincent says the thief's MO isn't clear. Aside from taking the cash from the small shops and working in a relatively close perimeter. All 3 of this robber's hits are in a 5-mile radius, several minutes separating the locations. And while it's been quiet for this thief, who hasn't popped up on police's radar in several months, they say now is the time to crack down.
What happens in these cases is these suspects get comfortable. They may start talking about their crimes, and we're hoping that a family member or somebody that knows this person will come forward at this point.
Until then, Vincent warns shop owners should have a certain level of vigilance, including beefing up their own store security, as police work to catch this bold bandit.
We always want to warn the public to be aware of your surroundings, understand where you're at, who's around you, and to be vigilant, but especially in the Dundalk area.
Without a doubt, Baltimore County Police say they are positive that this man is the same person who robbed these stores 3 separate times, and they need your help in finding him. Reporting here in Dundalk, I'm Skylar Henry, WMAR 2 News.